Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO. Another session, a lunch break. Yoga easy stretching for everyone. It's a good idea to find just few minutes in your lunchtime. If you can do it in the morning or evening, you are busy this time of the day, try to use your lunch break for some stretching, for better feeling and preventing any aches and stiffness in your body. And we're ready to start right now, but before, if you're watching first time, please click subscribe button, click notification bell to never miss any content from my channel. And we're ready to start our lunch break yoga right now. On your right knee, left leg forward, can be hips higher, or you can push them forward and down. Squeeze your glutes on your right side. And now arms up. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And change your leg. Squeeze your glutes on your left to support lower back. Inhale. And exhale. Maybe two more. And relax. Okay, on your forearms, elbows, if your shoulders fit apart, directly underneath your shoulders. Keep your head high, use muscles in your neck instead dropping head down. Hands together, feet knees together. And now left leg. As you lift your left leg, avoid changing your balance by leaning forward. Keeping your body the same position, you're only lifting your left leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Okay, now right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Two more. Maybe one more time. And slowly, child pose. If your chest head higher, or try to stretch more, reaching forward with your arms, resting your torso on your legs. And now left arm to your side, check how far you can reach. Right forward, left the bottom of your mat, Hold the stretch, good breaths. Okay, now left to the front, to right to your side, pushing as far as you can, left to the front, right back. Okay, now on your 4, left leg straight, inhale from your left, exhale, cross to your right, inhale, exhale, controlling position of your head and lower back. So you see abdominal muscles, tuck your pelvis slightly under, so you're feeling stretching on your lower back instead dropping like this, okay? Inhale and exhale. Now right leg. Inhale from your right, exhale, try to cross to your left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Okay. Let's sit if you cross legs, right at the front. And now right arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Relax your left shoulder. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Both arms, and now let's turn left and right. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Shoulders. Okay, now left leg and left arm. Inhale and exhale. Right shoulder relax, elbows bent, left arm straight. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And again, side to side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Okay, now left foot next to your right knee, hand or arm round your left leg and twist your left side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now hold this twist. If you're keeping your hand on the floor, avoid leaning, resting on this arm. Just touch the floor, but use muscles in your core to keep position upright, okay? Or you can cross behind your back. Good breath, strong belly, nice smile. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, now right foot next to your left knee, hand or it can be your forearm. And now inhale and exhale. And hold. Again, avoid. I know it's easier, but you're keeping your position upright, so you can rest your hand, but without leaning on this arm. Or cross behind. Deep breath in and slowly out. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you're feeling already muscles relaxed and release, maybe even calm your mind a little bit. If you enjoyed it, please give me thumbs up. You can leave the comments how many sessions you've done already this week. Maybe this is your first one, maybe you've done everything from Monday. It'd be good to know more things about you guys. So thank you for today, thank you for your time, thank you for all your support, and I see you tomorrow. Bye for now.